Hello everybody, this is Ava with My Brainy Mess. How is everybody? I am on here today to review. I've had the privilege of being on the guest design team for a digital called Far and Away, created by Dearjuliejulie, and you can find her digital in Etsy if y'all wish to go and purchase it. I love this digital. I think it's very pretty. The front cover is one of her digitals, which I mommy-gommied. I did a mommy-gommi process on it, put Mod Podge over it to give it a little shiny finish and to protect it a little bit. Wrapped it with some lace and some flowers and the fabric, and put some linen on the edge. And also have a linen, we call it bow, one of these. Then on the inside, I have covered it with some cardstock from Spectrum Arts. I don't remember the name of the kit, but it was one of the, I think it was 49. And backed it with that and put some lace on it. And in the pocket is a digital, is a tag with one of her digitals. And I put a pocket into it and added some ephemera into the pocket. I can't talk today. On this particular page, I kind of embellished this digital with some of the butterflies that were in there and the flowers that were in there to kind of give it a little pop. This is a little pocket made from also the Dearjuliejulie digital. There's also a Dearjuliejulie digital on the inside, and there's a little scrappy pieces of paper that you can play with and do your own thing on these pages if you would like. And then you can put whatever you want into this pocket, and you can see whatever it is in the pocket. Some more digitals. And here's one of her digitals. I turned around and made it into a little flip, and made a little pocket with one of her digitals and added a tag. The next few pages is actually a booklet that I actually incorporated inside the journal as one of the signatures, as part of the signatures. It's actually 4 pages worth, and some of it's on one side of the journal, some of it's on the other side of the journal. I was going to try to do it in the middle, but it didn't work out right, so I had to end up putting it earlier in the journal and do it that way. Anyway, this particular booklet has pockets in it, and I put in some paper and a little tablet. This one has a little one of her digitals with a belly band, and I put in some paper and a little tag with one of her digitals, and has a little charm that can dangle off the side. Here is a little guest check that I made into a little tuck spot, tuck this way and a tuck this way. And I cut out some of the digital to put on the guest check and added some of her butterflies. And then I took a paper clip and added a couple of her digitals, and was able to put a little tag topper there. And this one I put one of her little butterflies. This is also one of her pieces, and then I added a little charm, just a little charm to go in with the tag. There we go. Some more of her digitals. This is a digital, a tag, which opens up to full page that you can write on. And popped with one of her digitals and blinged it. This is a very simple journal, very sweet journal. Very, what's the word I'm trying to think? Very misty. I just love this journal. Here I made another pocket or tuck spot and added some more of her digitals. And I made this digital with that has a little tablet in it. A lot of journaling space in this digital. In this journal. Here's the other side of that little booklet I was telling you about. And here's one of the pockets, and I just added some coffee dyed paper. And here's one of her digitals, which I made into a pocket and added another piece of paper. And here's another pocket, added another one of her digitals and made it into a little tablet. Here is, this is a interesting little pocket. It is a tuck spot with a little booklet. We have 1 pocket, 2 pocket, 3 pocket, 4 pocket, and 5 pockets. So we've got 5 pockets all in this one little folder. And here is just a little envelope that's clipped in with some coffee dyed paper, and you can put anything else you want in it. And this is one of her digitals that was in that series. And last but least, we have a pocket on the back side of the journal. And we have a little booklet journal with some papers and coffee dyed papers and just little book papers and little decorative papers, and with one of her digitals on here as well. There you go. And it's also got some handmade papers on it. And that is it. That is the journal. It will be going into my Etsy. If anybody's interested, I want to thank you, Julie, for allowing me to be a part of this journey of creating this journal with your digitals. You've got beautiful digitals, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. And that's about it, y'all. So like and share and subscribe and comment. We are at 144. 6 more people, guys. We're getting there. Y'all have a blessed day. I thank you for the top of my brain to the bottom of my feet. And I will see y'all on the flip-flop. Bye.